Hey guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if your pet is stuck like underneath your floors or on your roofs in Heartopia. So as you can see, my dog is underneath my floor right now. And to fix that, okay, make sure your pet is there though. So if you get a pet, you can track them and you're just going to go to build mode, then just press complete. Okay, and then as you can see, all of your pets will be outside now. And yeah, that is pretty much how you can do that. It is very tedious, I must say, but it's the only way to get your pets out of the house. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Whoa, what just happened? That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.